Hey guys, my name is Dustin Frazier. The purpose of this speech is that, we got to do it for class, but the point is to get to know me a little better. Um, to me, getting to know somebody is about getting to know who they are at the core. There's levels and levels of surface information that doesn't really hold a whole lot of value beyond just surface information. Um, and to get to know somebody at the core is when you really start to understand somebody. And when you understand somebody, then you take that level of knowing them to a different level. Um, so, for me at my core, there's three things that really drive me. I'm going to school right now to be a teacher. Um, I don't know what subject yet, but to me, it's not about the subject I teach. It's more about taking the lessons I've learned in my life and passing them on to someone who may need to hear those lessons to get through stuff in their life that they have going on. Um, I'm a big quote person, and I really enjoy looking at quotes as lessons from the past that get handed down to us. And that kind of leads me to my first item that kind of really rings at my core. And examples of that is this coin here. On one side, it has the last stanza to my favorite poem called Invictus. Some of you may know it. And on the other side has a compass, and it really reminds me daily to take the lessons I learn and apply them in my life, and let them guide me in the decisions that I choose to make. Um, it was given to me by my wife. She saw it in a store one day and knew I loved the poem and thought I'd really enjoy the coin, which brings me to my second item, which is actually my wedding ring. My wife means everything to me. She's been my support through so much in my life and met me at a point in my life where I really needed somebody there, and she brought me and has helped me reach the point I'm at now in my life. Um, and actually, through my wife, leads me to my last item that really rings at my core, and that's actually a picture of my daughter. This past Christmas with Santa. My daughter's now 15 months old, and it has been a whirlwind. Um, just so much has changed in my life, and it's actually her coming into our lives that has prompted me to go back to school after 10 years in business management, um, and really, really decide what the direction of my life I want to be. I think teaching will give me the ability to make my three cores, my love of passing lessons along, and my wife and my daughter, and allow me to combine those things into a lifestyle that really is important to me. And those core items are what really make who I am, um, rather than the surface stuff. I can tell you that stuff all day, but those three things, that's what makes me who I am. And I really hope that y'all take this little bit and get to know me a little better. Enjoy.